Today, I'm going to show you how to process order confirmations by simply forwarding your supplier's emails to the Nordune platform. In this example, the order confirmation includes 2 different delivery dates for the same item. Let's see how good Nordune's AI agents are at recognizing different delivery dates. Once in the Nordune platform, we can choose an already pre-built template for order confirmations. We can customize it to our needs or give AI agents additional guidelines, like this one. After we're done, we can create it. In this video, I will show you how to automate it a step further, so your supplier's emails will be automatically forwarded to the Nordune platform, and you will get the results sent to your email address. For that, we go under Connectors and create an email connector. Choose the template we wish to integrate, and under the Result Email tab, choose what pieces of information we want to be included from the original email. I will choose all of them just to have a quick access to all the information I might need later. Next, choose the format in which you wish to receive your processed data. I want a CSV file, so that's what I'll choose. Now, all that is left to do is to forward the supplier's email to this unique email connector. We can set it up in the email settings in such a way that anytime we get an email from this particular supplier, it forwards it directly to this unique email connector. You can see that the email we forwarded is being processed. Now here are our results. We also got the email and all the attachments we requested. We can see here that the AI agents recognize the 2 different delivery dates. That's all for today. Try it out yourself and see how much time you can save. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.